I'm just going to break down in very simple terms what prompt engineering is, why it matters, and a really simple template you can use to basically learn 99% of prompt engineering as a shortcut. Prompt engineering is the difference between someone giving really vague instructions, just squiggly line, and getting a really vague, generic, lazing response. You look at the response and you're like, I don't know, that's not super helpful. And that's because the instruction you gave to ChatGPT was vague and not really detailed in the first place. When we talk about prompt engineering, it's usually providing a structured set of inputs into ChatGPT so that what you get out of it is way better. So you also get a really nice, detailed, structured output from ChatGPT. Prompt engineering is improving the quality of your inputs over here on the left side. So instead of a squiggly, vague line like this, you're feeding in a structured list with expectations and context, and ChatGPT knows what to do, and so you get this nice, detailed, deep dive report afterwards. Now, most people get generic answers from their AI because their literal prompt is make it better, or like do this within 3 words. And that can sometimes work if you just need to get started, but you're often going to find that the answers are lacking and you wish ChatGPT would go deeper. So I'm going to give you a really simple prompt template, and this is what I personally use in my head, and it basically encapsulates 99% of prompt engineering. So if you just use this template and memorize it, internalize it, you will have learned prompt engineering without paying for an expensive course. It's a really simple template. So the first line is you are a top 0.1% expert in some field. That's it. Let's say you are a top 0.1% expert in venture capital, or in tech startups, or in copywriting, or in launching ClickFunnels. Like whatever that is, just put that at the end. You are a top 0.1% expert in this. The next line is the task that you actually want it to do. And it can be really simple. Like, I want you to research this and output a table with your research, whatever the task is. The next step is context. So let's say I'm using ChatGPT to brainstorm what marketing channels I should invest in for my business. Context would be all the information that I'm willing to share. Like, I've tried XYZ marketing channels. Here were the conversion rates. Here was the ROI. This didn't work for me so far. This didn't work for me so far. This is my budget. This is the time constraints that I may have. As much context and information that you're willing to share with AI, that's what you would feed it in next. The third step is constraints. So for example, if you have specific budget constraints, time constraints, it could be in many different ways.